Ito.
Sindi mo na. Hot Cheeto fries.
Hot Cheeto fries.
Hot Cheetos fries.
Hot Cheeto fries. Hot Cheetos fries.
Hot Cheetos fries.
Cheetos nga Cheeto.
Cheetos, walang tortilla.
Cheetos.
Iso, Cheetos. Gamber.
Ang cute. Gamber.
Gummy bear.
Ayun. Ay, gamber. Ay, gummy bear.
Gummy bears.
Yep, that's
Oh,
it.
gummy
Gummy
bears.
bears.
Marami sila.
Dapat tatlo kasi
Scan the board
yung
carefully.
ano daw.
Can you spot the emoji that doesn't match?
You know.
Saan?
Saan?
Yun know.
Ayun. Kita ko na.
Ayun, saan? You know.
Hindi ko
Ay, awan.
Clean.
Ay, ajit.
Oh, yun.
Yung ano, parang baby. Baby yun eh.
Kaya nga.
Ito hindi kita
What
doon.
food do you see here?
Toblerone.
Sandwich.
Toblerone.
Mount Witch.
Sandwich.
Ay, sandwich.
San, tapos witch.
Sandwich right there.
San.
You got the point.
Saan ba yan?
Sandwich.
Guess the food from the emojis.
Ay, hindi namin alam.
Chocolate chip.
Cookie. Chocolate chip. Cookie.
Chocolate chip
Dapat, di ba,
cookies.
Cookie, banana. Mandi nga cookies.
Basta. Malinaw yan eh.
Hurry up. Don't run out of time.
Steak.
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 Ay, meron din sa akin. Tinan mo.
Napicturean kita. Napicturean kita, oh. Picture yun.
Suntukin mo kayo eh. Sige, ako bahala. Sige, dito.
Hindi na po naman. Hindi nakasakitan. Tinan mo. Tinan mo pag ikaw. Tinan mo.
Sabi mo ata rin.
Ay, wait lang. Ano?
Steak.
Right again.
Ay.
Beef.
Lipat na natin. Mahirap eh.
Oh.
Pili lang kayo yung mas madali.
Dirod. Yung kan.
Ay, ito na lang. Yung mga food. Ganon.
Ganun mo nga, ipaganon mo. Hindi, yun. Hindi. Balik. Name
Guess the
any
logo.
movie, don't say what I say.
Oo nga.
Eh, hindi ko alam mag-control ng
Ako.
TV.
Ano gusto mo yun, eh? Yan.
Hindi. Yung, ano na lang. Yung mga food na lang sa ano.
Hey, quiz divers.
Yung mula lang natin ng mas madadali. Ganon. Ano mo?
Hey, quiz divers back again.
Eto, picturean mo to.
Today's speed challenge.
Oy. Bakit?
Welcome to Guess
Bakit?
the Fast
Bakit?
Food Restaurant by Emoji.
Masama
The
akong
ultimate
may
test of
binabalak.
food knowledge and quick thinking. You'll take on 70 rounds with just 10 seconds each. Think fast, trust your gut, and earn 1 point for every correct answer. Can you keep a perfect streak? Big shout out to today's online
Mag-practice na
viewers.
kayo.
You're
Ay,
so
ice cream
big on
favorite is
notice.
purple.
Want your name featured?
Everyone in
Keep
hand.
your guesses in the comments. Now go ahead. Hit like.
Magpicturean kaya tayo.
Let's kick off
Ganon.
the first
Picturean tapos may video. Ganon na lang mo yun.
Ha?
Picturean tapos ano. Tapos ikaw naman.
restaurant by
Subway.
Subway.
Okay na. Subway.
Subway.
First bite.
Oh,
First
diba?
win.
Subway sandwich ko na.
Dito, titiwala na ako first. Ano sa ko? Oh, Subway mo sa lang.
What do you think this is?
Si.
Samkimbi. Ay, Jollibee. Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Boom. Zaxby's takes it.
Tapos ka na maligo.
Oh, maliligo ka na? Sige na, maligo ka na.
You've got 10
Spicy.
seconds. Name it.
Ano yan?
Chili pot. Chili pot ba?
Chili. Ay, tama. Tingnan natin.
Chipotle's the answer here.
Mali.
Chipotle.
Any ideas which restaurant it is?
Boy. Bipig. Bipig boy.
Big
Ganon.
boy.
Ganon.
Big boy, big boy.
You got it.
Oh, big boy.
Get ready. Place the burger in Big Boy's hand at the right moment.
Stop. Stop.
Boom! Perfect timing. Burger in hand. You're so good.
Nagula kami.
Nagdito sa...
Aligo.
It's gift time. Pick your reward.
Nakikita naman yung reward, oh.
Ito ako. Surprise.
Ito rin.
Gift one. Hit that like button and comment your favorite fast food restaurant. Let's see who shares the same taste as you. Gift two. Smash that subscribe and tell us your target
Ay,
three.
sakto.
Are you confident enough to go all the way and score a perfect 70? What
Burger
restaurant
King.
is this?
Jinx.
Wala naman tao.
Oo, walang tao.
Dapat may ano.
Right on. It's Burger King.
Burger crown lang no kanina.
Only 10 seconds. Take a guess.
Small. Small. Tiny.
Tagalog ka, Rod. Ay, Renz. Ay, Russell pala.
Just Salad Lands here. Such a healthy choice.
Just salad. Just salad.
Ay.
Beast burger.
Fish. Nauna to.
Mr. Beast Burger. What a catch.
Kamali. Walang miss.
Here comes another restaurant.
McDonald's.
Ano yun?
Nauna si
The iconic one. McDonald's. Easy win. Alright. Try to remember all the colors.
Kakain.
Yung katabi ng pink.
Tapos kakain din ako ice cream. Baka mainit eh.
So, which M color disappeared?
Ajit, may isa na blue.
Ay, Tagalog.
Yung
Ano
isang
yun?
blue.
Tagalog. Ano yun, Russell?
yung isang shade na blue.
Hindi, si Russell. Dapat pag Tagalog si Russell. Ano yun sinabi mo, Russell?
Blue one. Did you catch it?
Nahirap.
Next round. Keep it rolling.
Yun. Namin niya lang.
Chicken. Chicken.
Third.
Chicken.
Church's Chicken shows up. Golden and crunchy.
Wala naman dito yun sa Pilipinas ha.
Sa ibang bansa yun.
Don't miss this restaurant. Guess now.
Stick pa pang mayaman yan.
Hindi ako. Natatapos ko lang.
Longhorn Steakhouse. Name this one.
Tapos, Taco Bell.
Ay,
Taco Bell.
oo, Taco Bell.
Tama ba yun eh?
Ako. Tama ata.
Yep, that's it. Taco Bell. A bit tricky.
Hot chicken.
Get it?
Wala. Wala namang
Hot chicken yan.
Hard chicken.
Wala, bago may
Oo, tama.
mas kaso kayo mga kapatid.
Golden chick. You're right again.
Golden chicken, di golden chicken. Ano yun?
Track the food closely.
Ay, alam ko
Double
na yan.
sight.
Maula. Alam ko na yan. Alam ko na to.
Nasaan, me?
Alam ko na yan.
Can you tell me where it
Nasaan
is
yan?
now?
A.
Eh, sa akin, C.
Kit.
Tingnan mo na, me.
Sana sa A. Tignan mo pa.
There it is. You
See.
kept up perfectly.
Galing ni Papa, no?
Uy.
Think fast.
Chicken
What restaurant
pila.
is this?
Chicken pila. Chicken pila yan. Tama. Chicken pila.
The answer is Chick-fil-A.
Ah, galing, oh.
Ha?
Ano yan,
Medal,
restaurant?
medal, ano yun?
Golden Coral.
Coral? Coral. First coral?
Golden Corral is the right pick here.
Golden Coral.
Coral. Coral nakuha ko, pero golden.
10 seconds on the clock. Go.
American tea? American tea?
Right again. Captain D's.
Captain D's.
Another restaurant coming right up.
Wait.
Domino's.
Yung
Domino's.
Domino's.
Domino's comes in. Cheesy and quick.
Domino's. Domino's.
A tricky restaurant.
Fat
Any
burger.
ideas?
Oh, pat burger nga yan, me.
Galing. Sino sabi nun?
Yung
Galing.
pat burger nga yan.
Fat burger is correct.
Galing.
There's one burger that doesn't belong. Can you spot it?
Doesn't belong, di ba? B. Kasi yung shoes nyo.
Option B. That's the imposter. Did you notice the different shoes? Name the fast food
Pizza
restaurant
Hut.
in 10 seconds.
Ayun, eh.
Pizza restaurant.
Pizza
Pizza
restaurant.
Hut. Ano? Pizza.
You spotted it.
Pizza
Hut.
restaurant.
Classic move.
Russell, dito ka. Parang Tagalog ka.
Lugar. Para ayun o,
Hurry up.
Hulaan
Time is
ninyo yung
ticking.
kasi makakatawa.
Kaya lang, Tagalog sa sagot mo. Nagbibisaya
Ano, guess mo, ano?
Yung ka ah.
Kita. Hindi namin
Ano
alam
yan,
yan.
restaurant?
Patbi jelly.
Potbelly. Toasty goodness
Ano?
right
Pat
there.
belly.
Patbi jelly.
Jelly?
Belly.
Moving on. What's this
Yan.
restaurant?
Small man? Ay, tiny man? Small man sa akin.
Small man.
Tiny grandpa.
Little Caesars is the
Caesar.
perfect call.
Layo.
Little, ako Cesar, yung lalaki.
White Heart House.
White Castle.
Oo, wait lang.
Bakit na heart?
Nakapahit naman kasi.
Right on. White Castle.
Ang galing.
May blue naman eh.
Oo, hindi ko white.
Can you solve this scrambled restaurant name?
Scrabble burger. Hindi.
Malabo.
Shams to burger.
Oh.
That's
Smash?
Smash
Ah,
Burger.
Smash Burger.
Nice solve. You cracked it. Next round. Which fast food restaurant is this?
KFC. Ay,